Welcome back to the channel, and buckle up, because today I'm about to reveal something that will make your jaw drop. What you're about to see feels like it shouldn't even exist, and yet it does. Bugatti, the company famous for making the fastest and most powerful hypercars in the world, has done something nobody expected. Instead of another car built to shatter speed records, they've created a luxury motorhome unlike anything you've ever seen before. This is the Bugatti Double Decker Motorhome, a rolling two-story mansion that changes everything you thought you knew about travel. When you hear the name Bugatti, you probably think of extreme speed, insane horsepower, and cars that cost millions of dollars. Cars like the Veyron and the Chiron, which have become legends in the world of performance. But in 2026, Bugatti shocked everyone. Instead of a new hypercar, they rolled out a two-story luxury motorhome that looks like it came straight from the future. The first time you see it, your brain doesn't even know how to process what's in front of you. The front half still carries that classic Bugatti DNA. Sleek lines, aerodynamic curves, and the iconic horseshoe grille. But then, your eyes move to the back, and you realize this isn't just a bus or a camper. It's taller, wider, and longer than anything you've ever seen on the road. The two floors stacked on top of each other make it look less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic spaceship designed to glide down highways. The giant curved windows stretch across the sides, giving you a full view of the luxury hidden inside. It commands so much presence that other vehicles don't just move out of the way, they almost seem to respect it, and don't think for a second that just because it's massive, Bugatti forgot about performance. Underneath that sleek shell sits a monstrous hybrid W16 engine paired with electric motors. Together, they deliver a mind-blowing 1,800 horsepower. Think about that. This isn't a sports car. This is a two-story house on wheels. And yet, it can rocket from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That's faster than most modern sports cars, all while carrying the weight of a luxury apartment. On top of that, it's been engineered with advanced suspension systems and aerodynamic tricks to make sure it glides smoothly no matter where you take it. Bugatti didn't just build a motorhome, they built a supercar disguised as a mansion. Now let's step inside, because that's where things get truly unbelievable. The moment you enter the first floor, it feels like you've stepped into the lobby of a 5-star hotel. There's an ultra-modern lounge with Italian leather seating, soft lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the space with views of the outside world. Imagine cruising down a mountain road, or along the coast while sitting in complete comfort, sipping champagne, and watching the scenery glide by. Next to the lounge, you'll find a full gourmet kitchen. This isn't some cramped RV stove and sink setup. This is a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, marble countertops, and a dining area that can seat 6 people comfortably. It's made for entertaining, whether you're parked by the beach or deep in the forest. And right in the center of the floor is a digital control hub. You can adjust the lighting, the temperature, and even the window tint, all with your voice. It's like stepping into a luxury spaceship where everything bends to your commands. Climb the spiral staircase to the second floor, and the luxury only increases. Here, the focus is all about comfort and privacy. The master suite looks like it belongs in a penthouse apartment. A king-size bed, handcrafted furniture, and walls that can turn transparent for views or opaque for privacy with the touch of a button. Right next to it is a bathroom that feels more like a spa, complete with heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and even a smart jacuzzi that remembers your preferred settings. And then there's the rooftop terrace. At the push of a button, it expands outward to create your own private deck in the sky. Imagine pulling over at night, opening up the terrace, and enjoying a glass of wine under the stars. It's not just travel anymore. It's living the dream wherever you go. Of course, because this is Bugatti, they went one step further. Hidden in the lower deck is a built-in garage. Yes, you heard that right. Not only can you live in your Bugatti motorhome, but you can also bring along your Bugatti hypercar. Picture this, You roll up to a mountain retreat in your $10 million motorhome, lower the ramp, and out comes your Chiron for a quick drive. It's the kind of detail that only Bugatti would think of. Because for them, one outrageous machine is never enough. Now, as you can imagine, all of this comes at a price. And we're not talking about a couple $100,000. Reports suggest the Bugatti Double Decker Motorhome will cost well over $10 million. That instantly makes it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever created. And with Bugatti's tradition of exclusivity, only a tiny number will ever be made. This isn't a vehicle for the average millionaire. It's something designed for the absolute elite. The kind of people who don't just want to own a Bugatti, but want to live inside one. Bugatti didn't just create a new motorhome. They've reimagined the entire concept of luxury travel. This isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about turning the journey itself into the main event. It's a house, a hotel, a supercar, and a lifestyle statement, all wrapped into one breathtaking machine. So now the question is, what do you think? Did Bugatti just change the game forever with this double-decker motorhome? Or is it simply an insane fantasy for billionaires? Let me know in the comments, because this is one of those creations that divides opinions instantly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Bugatti's most unexpected masterpiece, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. I've got even more jaw-dropping stories of cars, concepts, and creations that you won't want to miss.